1. What document typically initiates the accounts payable process? A. Purchase requisition. B. Invoice. C. Purchase order. D. Payment voucher. 2. A three-way match compares which of the following documents? A. Invoice, delivery note, tax ID. B. Invoice, purchase order, receiving report. C. Bank statement, invoice, purchase order. D. Invoice, payment voucher, purchase request. 3. Which term describes delaying payment to take advantage of interest-free credit? A. Float. B. Cash discount. C. Payment hold. D. Deferred billing. 4. What is the primary purpose of a voucher in accounts payable? A. Record tax liability. B. Approve payroll. C. Document approval for payment. D. Assign cost codes. 5. Which type of account is typically credited when a supplier invoice is recorded? A. Inventory. B. Cash. C. Accounts payable. D. Expense. 6. A non-PO invoice refers to an invoice. A. Not authorized. B. Without a purchase order. C. With multiple line items. D. Sent via fax. 7. What does an early payment discount of $210 net 30 mean? A. Pay 2% interest in 10 days. B. 2% discount if paid within 10 days, full due in 30. C. Full payment in 10 days. D. 10% discount if paid in 2 days. 8. Duplicate invoice payments can be reduced by A. Ignoring remittance advice. B. Using vendor master data controls. C. Sending payments via check. D. Delaying processing. 9. Segregation of duties in AP helps to A. Reduce training needs. B. Increase invoice volume. C. Prevent fraud and errors. D. Eliminate journal entries. 10. An invoice approval matrix is used to A. Automate tax deductions. B. Allocate expenses by location. C. Determine who is authorized to approve invoices. D. Print batch reports. 11. Which act mandates internal controls over financial reporting? A. FASB. B. Dodd-Frank. C. Sarbanes-Oxley. D. GAAP. 12. Retention of AP records is generally governed by A. Supplier policy. B. IRS and local regulations. C. Vendor preference. D. IT department. 13. Which document is crucial in supporting tax audits in AP? A. Petty cash ledger. B. Form W-2. C. Purchase invoice. D. Form 1099. 14. Which IRS form is commonly used to report payments to vendors? A. W-2. B. 1099 NEC. C. 1040. D. 940. 15. Fraud in AP can often be detected through A. Vendor surveys. B. Duplicate vendor report analysis. C. Bank marketing reviews. D. Inventory counts. 16. Which software feature is used to automatically match invoices and POs? A. Cost allocation. B. Workflow alerts. C. Automated matching. D. Forecast modeling. 17. What is accrual accounting in AP? A. Recognizing expense when payment is made. B. Delaying expenses until cash is received. C. Recording expenses when incurred, regardless of payment. D. Paying vendors early for discounts. 18. A debit memo issued by a vendor typically indicates A. Vendor refund. B. Credit note to customer. C. Price reduction. D. An increase in amount owed. 19. The general ledger impact of recording an invoice is A. Doctor Accounts Payable, CR. Expense. B. Doctor Expense, CR Accounts Payable. C. Doctor Cash, CR Accounts Payable. D. Doctor Expense, CR Revenue. 20. ERP stands for A. Expense Reporting Platform. B. Enterprise Resource Planning. C. Electronic Receipt Processing. D. External Reporting Plan. 21. What is the purpose of vendor master data? A. Store product catalogs. B. Manage vendor invoices. C. Maintain consistent and accurate vendor information. D. Report budgets. 22. Which document is often sent to the vendor after invoice payment? A. Credit memo. B. Remittance advice. C. Audit trail. D. Purchase requisition. 23. Why is a W-9 form requested from vendors? A. Verify bank account. B. Confirm delivery address. C. Obtain tax identification for reporting. D. Reconcile invoice. 24. A vendor statement of account shows A. Internal budgets. B. Historical price trends. C. Summary of all transactions and open balances. D. Revenue forecasts. 25. Effective vendor communication improves A. Internal fraud detection. B. Regulatory compliance. C. Timely issue resolution and relationship building. D. Cash reserves. Certified Accounts Payable Associate. The Certified Accounts Payable Associate CAPA test is a professional certification exam designed to validate the foundational knowledge and skills required for a successful career in accounts payable. Developed by industry experts, the test evaluates proficiency in areas such as invoice processing, vendor management, internal controls, compliance with financial regulations, accounting systems, and ethics. It is ideal for entry-level finance professionals and administrative staff who handle or support accounts payable functions. Earning the CAPA credential demonstrates a commitment to accuracy, efficiency, and professional standards in financial operations, enhancing both career development and employer confidence in the candidate's qualifications. Here are the top 5 beneficial uses of the sample exam. 1. Professional validation. The CAPA certification formally verifies a candidate's knowledge and competence in essential accounts payable functions, including invoice processing, payment cycles, and regulatory compliance, helping to build professional credibility. 2. Career advancement. Holding the CAPA credential can open doors to promotions, increased responsibilities, and specialized roles within finance or accounting departments. 3. Improved job prospects. CAPA-certified professionals often stand out to employers, gaining an edge in competitive job markets and qualifying for opportunities across industries that prioritize financial accuracy. 4. Enhanced organizational efficiency. Certified professionals contribute to better internal controls, reduced payment errors, and more streamlined vendor management processes. 5. Foundation for further certification. The CAPA certification serves as a stepping stone toward more advanced accounting or finance credentials, supporting long-term career growth.